Today we're going to take a look at how to set up and run the Safari demo. This demo uses a Safari board in an industrial monitoring application. For this we have a 3-phase electrical motor. We have an accelerometer mounted to it to measure vibration, a temperature probe to measure temperature. There's a fan blade driving air into this tunnel, and we have a differential pressure sensor here measuring the pressure that results from that. The Safari board is mounted onto a Meerkat 96 board. There are a pair of NXP motor driver boards here and a USB to UART bridge. So first thing you want to do is check that the SD card in the Meerkat is fully inserted. This SD card contains the Linux operating system as well as the firmware that you need to run this demo. Next, take the included USB cable, insert one end into your PC, take the other end, the micro USB end, turn it upside down, and insert it into this board. Then plug power into your demo unit. So the first thing you should notice is that these 4 LEDs on top of the Safari board are all lit up. They correspond to 2 power supplies for the Meerkat board and 2 power supplies for the Safari board. Also check that the little blue-green LED is lit here as well on the NXP board. So to run this demo you need a PC running Windows 10. First thing you do for software is go to the GitHub site, which is right here, github.aeroelectronics/aero-safari, and download this file right here, safari.exe, right there. Once this file is downloaded, just go to it and double click. The first time you do this, you might get this error message. Just ignore it and click More Info, then Run Anyway. Now this can take up to a minute for this program to open up, so while you're waiting for that, go to Device Manager and look at it under ports to see where you're connected with your demo kit. So here it's COM18. Okay, so now that this has opened up, what you want to do is go to the drop-down menu here with the GUI, select the port you're connected to, and click Connect. There you see the green word Connected. Go up to the top, click on the Safari Data tab. So here we have the 3 plots. We have acceleration, temperature, and pressure. Go to the top right, go ahead and click on Start Demo. Now as the motor starts spinning up, the sensors are collecting the data. We have the motor programmed to go through 3 different speeds and just cycle that way. So like a low, medium, and high speed. And you can see the results probably the best on using the graphs from the accelerometer. So for example, right here we've got the medium speed. You can see the frequency and amplitude. And then over up to the top right corner we have the high speed and the higher amplitude and higher frequency. The temperature it's kind of a feedback effect because as the motor spins it heats up. However, the fan blade on the end of it pushes air into the tunnel and back onto the motor and cools it off a little bit. So you got a little bit of a seesaw effect there, not too much. And pressure of course just varies depending on the speed of the motor and the fan blade attached to it. Over to the right you'll see the values are being given for the mean value, the max and min, as well as the last value given. And that's pretty much it. So we have the motor, we have the 3 sensors monitoring what's going on with that motor. And then to simply stop the demo, click on Stop Demo and just close out the screen. For more information you can go to the wiki that we have. It's github.com/aero-electronics/aero-safari/wiki. And you can see this page right here. If you go to the bottom right corner and you click on Safari FAE demo, this will bring you to the instructions that we just went over basically. You can see all the parts of it. There's more information. There's troubleshooting, frequently asked questions, schematics, etc. So hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the ESC at aero.com.